The Honor Magic 8 Lite features a large 6.79-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a crisp 2640 by 1200 resolution. The screen offers exceptionally high brightness levels, making it easy to use even in direct sunlight. The phone boasts a slim and lightweight design, weighing just 189 grams, and a smooth, marble-like finish. The device is highly durable, with IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistance, meaning it can withstand immersion and high-pressure water splashes. The Honor Magic 8 Lite is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, along with 8GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of storage options. This configuration delivers smooth everyday performance and a stable gaming experience for the most popular mobile games. For photography, the phone boasts a 108MP main camera, complemented by a 5MP ultra-wide-angle camera and a 16MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. The camera system allows for high-resolution photos, macro shots, and decent low-light performance. One of the biggest reasons to buy this smartphone is its massive 7500 mAh silicon carbon battery, which can easily last up to 3 days on a single charge. The device supports 66W fast charging, enabling quick recharges when needed. On the software side, the Honor Magic 8 Lite runs Magic OS 9, based on Android 15, and includes a wide range of AI features, such as translation, writing and photo editing tools, Magic Portal, and intelligent multitasking. Honor promises up to 6 years of Android OS and security updates in supported regions. Connectivity features include 5G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, GPS, and modern security and convenience tools.